Hello, trading is closed on May 17th, 2018. My last call said the most likely thing was a gap and a prompt move outside of yesterday's range. They don't have to be in the same direction. We got the gap. When I say prompt, I usually mean in the straight line with no dilly-dillying around. We got that. But it really took over an hour to take this out. So if you don't want to call that prompt, the next most likely thing was we close, it'll change. Little change to me is within 4 points, and we got that one too. Tomorrow's pattern, the one with the early low. During the day, we had a strong rally. MEJT said it was false. Prices would return here, which they did. Here it gave a buy signal. That just means there's a higher target. It doesn't tell you the direction of the next move and doesn't preclude going pretty far in the other direction first, but if we do go in the other direction, it assures you the move is false. For starters, you have to return to this line, which we did, and we still haven't satisfied the buy signal. Here's your target, most likely to print tomorrow. It printed in futures, and we reversed so far right from that price. But while it's relevant, it isn't enough to satisfy the target. That's the target. I'm not so certain it's going to print because this is a pretty negative pattern unless we gap up and take out this high fast. In spite of gapping it down, we hit a new high for the recovery, and yet at the close couldn't close over any of these highs, couldn't even close over this high or any of these. It's a rejection of the new high. No matter how you count this move down is non-overlapping and therefore impulsive, and this move here is overlapping, therefore corrective. Unless this high falls, and I don't think it will, this dilly-dallying here is just a correction of this drop. Now the general idea is we're looking for wave 2, so a big wave 3 down can start. If we undercut this low, that would give us increased confidence that this high was it. Now this was the count I've been using, but the colors didn't really match with my other chart, and I think this probably counts better as an ABC with C equal to A rather than 5 waves. So I've redone the chart with different colors to make them correspond to the colors on this chart. And we come up with this. We have your 1, we have your A, we have your B, and here you have AB with C equal to A. Now if this is 2, and I'm going under the assumption it is, unless we overtake the high, you can count this to show us that we're in trouble here. It's not the only count. If this is 5 waves down, with this being an ending diagonal triangle, and that's A up, you can have ABC with C equal to A, but since this doesn't count clearly as an impulse, I can do it, but it's fudging around. It's possible this is an ABC, that that's B, and the C is here. 0.618 times A. Regardless, if we drop from here, there's a count that makes sense. It's a date I've had on my radar for a long time. And unless we take out this high, I still think the top's in. Unless we take out this high, I think we're going down, and that should be done quickly. Unless we do that quickly, I think tomorrow's going to be a down day, and these dates don't all work. But if this one works, we could be in wave 3 down of multiple degree, and it could be a doozy. We won't know for certain till the open because gapping over this kills everything, but certainly we're in a very vulnerable position here. And if we start dropping like a stone here, I wouldn't look for much of a recovery if that happens. And that's today's call.